At D2L, we're on a mission to transform the way the world learns. That means making learning more inclusive, empowering educators to meet the needs of diverse learners with products that deliver an exceptionally inclusive customer experience. We've created the Accessibility Gateway as your single point of access to a curated list of resources and a community of accessibility experts to help foster the best accessibility practice in your D2L Brightspace learning environment. The Accessibility Gateway leads you to multiple spaces. The Accessibility Academy offers a variety of free courses, from high-level introductory topics to specific assistive technology tips, helping novice and expert Brightspace users alike. Our Accessibility Library is a collection of articles and resources in the community that covers methods and best practices for supporting accessibility across technology, content, and pedagogy, including how-tos and use cases for Brightspace tools. Our Accessibility Interest Group is for you to meet every month to discuss topics of mutual interest and maintain a close-knit connection with our community of accessibility experts. The Accessibility Discussion Space helps you bring your questions to the community for discussion and contribute to the ongoing conversation. We believe that technology shouldn't limit learning opportunities, but should enable and empower all learners to do their best. To begin your journey toward creating more inclusive learning experiences, visit the Accessibility Gateway in the community.